All Tesla electric cars come with two kinds of different sized batteries. The smaller 12-volt battery is used to power the headlights, LCD screen, air conditioner, etc. On the other hand, the larger battery works on the Tesla powertrain and is responsible for storing charge to power the car. Tesla electric car models have different sized battery packs with a different total number of battery cells. In today's video, we will take a look at how many batteries are in a Tesla electric car. But before that, make sure to subscribe to us for more videos and tap the bell icon to get notified with every new video from us. So let's dive into the video. How many batteries are in different Tesla electric car models? In total, every Tesla electric vehicle comes with two batteries. The larger battery in the Tesla electric car consists of thousands of battery cells. However, the exact number will vary with different Tesla electric car models. Tesla electric car battery cells. Tesla has introduced several electric car models to cater to its diverse consumer needs. Panasonic is responsible for designing and manufacturing Tesla electric car batteries, which usually have a lithium-ion chemical composition. While nearly all Tesla electric cars have one similar small-sized 12-volt battery, the size of the larger battery that powers the motor varies. Different Tesla models have different sized batteries specifically designed to pull the Tesla electric car's weight while offering excellent range. Each Tesla battery consists of thousands of battery cells arranged and connected in a particular manner to maximize battery performance, offer a higher range, and protect the battery from damage. The number of battery cells in the Tesla electric car will vary with different models. For instance, larger Tesla electric vehicles such as the Tesla Cybertruck or Tesla Model X SUV need a bigger battery to pull their weight. Hence, the number of cells in a large Tesla Cybertruck and Tesla Model X battery will be much higher than the number of cells in a small compact Tesla Model 3 sedan, which weighs considerably less. The Tesla electric car batteries with a higher number of cells would be able to offer a more extended driving range, would require less frequent recharging, and would offer the car higher top speeds for more extended periods. Moreover, a Tesla electric car battery with many cells will also need more time to recharge fully. Continue reading below to learn more about the number of battery cells in different Tesla electric car models and how they affect the electric vehicle's performance and range. Number of battery cells in a Tesla Model 3. The Tesla Model 3 is a compact fastback sedan designed for a small family of no more than 4 to 5 adults. Other than the 12-volt battery, the Tesla Model 3 comes with a larger battery that uses 2,170 lithium-ion cells. The larger Tesla Model 3 battery packs usually are 350 volts to 400 volts. The Model 3 battery packs contain 4 longitudinal battery models, each containing the cell bricks. The Tesla Model 3 comes in two versions with different sized batteries with a different total number of cells and total ranges. The Tesla Model 3 standard range version offers a maximum of 272 miles of range and carries 2,976 lithium-ion cells in its battery that are positioned into 96 groups, bricks, of 31. The second Tesla Model 3 version is its long-range version that offers a maximum range of 358 miles and carries almost 4,416 lithium-ion cells in its battery that are positioned in 96 groups of 46 and has a total weight of 480 kgs. The respective number of lithium-ion battery cells can offer the Tesla driver excellent ranges, long battery lives, and a smooth drive. Moreover, in 2018, Tesla attempted to introduce lighter and cheaper Model 3 batteries to carry 2,170 lithium-ion cells. This effort was made to make new Tesla Model 3 batteries more affordable and to reduce the purchase price of a Tesla Model 3 electric car. Number of battery cells in a Tesla Model S. The Tesla Model S electric car is a luxury sedan priced much higher than a Tesla Model 3 electric car. Like all other Tesla electric car models, the Model S sedan also comes in different versions with different sized battery packs containing a varying number of battery cells. The Tesla Model S Plaid battery pack with a capacity of 99 kWh contains 18,650 type cylindrical lithium-ion cells designed and produced by Panasonic. The battery comprises almost 7,920 lithium-ion cells, which are fixed in 5 modules, each containing 1584 cells. Each battery cell is 65 mm in height and 18 mm in diameter and is arranged in 22 parallel rows. Moreover, the Model S battery has a 450-volt system. The massive number of lithium-ion cells allows the electric battery to offer almost 390 to 396 miles of range. This impressive range allows the Tesla Model S driver to cover a greater distance, travel at higher speeds, and enjoy a luxurious electric car ride. Number of battery cells in a Tesla Model X. The Tesla Model X is an all-wheel drive SUV designed to offer utility and performance. This incredible SUV is well equipped for climbing steep slopes and performing over arduous landscapes, and hence has a huge battery pack to fulfill these requirements. The Tesla Model X used to come in versions of 60, 75, and 90 kWh lithium-ion batteries. However, these versions were eventually discontinued. The only version available now is the Tesla Model Y 100 kWh version. The Tesla Model X has a 18,650 type lithium-ion battery that contains 516 lithium-ion cells in each of its 16 modules wired in a set series of arrangements. This makes the total number of cells in the Tesla Model X to be 8256 lithium-ion cells. As a result of the high number of lithium-ion cells in the Tesla Model X battery, the SUV can offer an impressive 300 to 351 miles of range and a top speed of 155 miles per hour. Number of battery cells in a Tesla Model Y. The Tesla Model Y is a luxurious all-wheel drive SUV designed to offer unparalleled performance in ranging landscapes and slopes. Hence, this Tesla SUV comes with a massive battery pack. The Tesla Model Y has a 2170 type lithium-ion battery that is much larger and more capable than an 18650 type battery found in the Model X SUV. Hence, the 2170 battery cells are much larger in dimensions and can store more significant amounts of charge to power the luxury SUV. In some American states, such as Texas, an even superior battery type is used in the Tesla Model Y. This Model Y battery is the 4680 type lithium-ion battery that consists of even larger battery cells that can store a greater amount of charge. Hence, the 4680 type battery will need a lesser number of total cells when compared to the 18650 and 2170 type battery packs. As a result, the total number of cells in the 4680 type battery is less than 900 lithium-ion cells. Number of battery cells in a Tesla Roadster. The Tesla Roadster is a high-power sports car designed to offer excellent performance and range at top speeds. Like all other Tesla models, the Tesla Roadster also comes with a lithium-ion battery pack that helps improve its range and capacity. To power this sports car, Panasonic has designed the 18650 type battery to contain 6831 lithium-ion cells, arranged in a series of 11 sheets, with every single sheet containing 9 groups. Why are Tesla electric cars and batteries the best? Tesla has introduced the world to futuristic automobile technology that has revolutionized travel and has massively contributed to reducing global emissions. Despite the aggressive competition in the EV industry, Tesla electric cars have topped the charts due to their impressive battery ranges and unparalleled performance. The key feature that makes Tesla electric cars one of the best automobiles in the entire EV industry is its constant efforts toward technological evolution and advancement. Every year, Tesla spends millions of dollars improving its electric vehicle design and battery capacity to attract a larger audience to the green technology lifestyle. Moreover, Tesla's partnership with Panasonic has allowed the company to offer the best quality of electric vehicle battery that has ever been designed and introduced. Panasonic is a Japanese company that has been the industry leader in manufacturing electrical appliances, consumer electronics, and batteries globally. Hence, Tesla can enjoy superior battery technology produced as a result of nearly a century of technological growth and breakthroughs. As a result, Tesla electric cars and their batteries are without a doubt one of the best in the market. How to care for Tesla electric car batteries. The Tesla electric car battery is one of its most expensive components. Not only is the purchase price of a new battery high, but the overall repair and maintenance costs are also notably pricey. Hence, every Tesla electric car owner must focus on taking care of their EV batteries to maintain their quality and performance over a longer period of time. Poor care, certain driving practices, and neglect can cause the Tesla electric car battery to permanently lose its range, charge storing capacity, and total lifespan. As a result, the Tesla owner would have to pay for the expensive battery repair or replacement costs. That's all for today's video. Hope you got some value. If so, make sure to subscribe to us for more videos and tap the bell icon to get notified with every new video from us.